Welcome to the Easy TV series of tutorials created to help you get the most out of your PhD Interactive website. This tutorial explains how to use active images to improve the way your website engages with visitors and so increase your enquiries. Active images is a feature you can switch on whenever you like from the Special Features section of your administration area. But before we do that, let me show you examples of what active images can do. There are three kinds, and I have an example of each on this demonstration website. The common theme is that images need no longer be inactive, but become clickable and perform one of three different functions. The first one I'm going to show you is a call to action. We want to use the power of an appealing image to encourage a visitor to do something. In this case, it is to take an interest in our gift vouchers, but it could be to make a booking inquiry. Here in the sidebar, so it's displayed on every page, is our animated gift voucher graphic and some brief text about our gift vouchers. If I click the graphic, I go to this page, which explains how great our gift vouchers are and even includes an order form. The second example is on our contact page. And it's what we call a pop-up image. The contact page shows that our treatment rooms are in a great location with a beautiful view, but this small picture doesn't do the view justice, and a large picture would overwhelm the page. So we can just click on this picture to see the view in all its glory. The final type of active image is an external link image, and a very common use for this is to attach a link to your professional association logo to demonstrate your authenticity to a visitor. Here, on the FAQ page, is the Chartered Society of Physiotherapy's logo. And if I click on it, I'm taken to the therapist's membership page on that website, which has popped up in another tab just off the video. As you can see, these are all natural and intuitive uses of images. Let me show you how they are set up. The first call to action image is the easiest of all. So let's log in and edit the sidebar and show you. Here is the sidebar paragraph about gift vouchers, and you can see gift voucher yellow as the selected image. I didn't have to load this image as it comes free with your PhD Interactive website. It's already in the list and you can see other colors and other call to action images. We just need to decide now what happens when the image is clicked. And here you see we have selected that the visitor should go to the gift vouchers page. Let's do pop-up images next. On the contact page, you can see I have selected the image I called View to display on the right of the page. In the third pull-down box, I have selected a pop-up image called View Enlarged. It's important to understand that these are two separate images. I loaded both into the image library with different file names. This means that the pop-up could have been a quite different image, such as an internal view or a picture of the therapist's cat. Finally, I'll show you the external link image. It's on the FAQ page. Back to Menu and FAQs. You can see the image is called CSP Logo, but there is no selection for Go To page or pop-up image. That's because the external link is stored when the image is loaded. Let me show you how. We will go back to the menu and into the Photos and Images section. You can see we now have a third column with website link. This is the external address associated with the image. The way we add this is that when we add an image, we add a website link as well. In fact, I'll visit that page and you can see up here that we have the address of that website in the address bar. So I'm going to copy it and return to our website, and I can use that to paste in the link for the image I'm about to add. There it is. I'll show you how we would pick the image. That's normal, and we would add a title, CSP logo, perhaps. And we're almost ready to submit the image, but not quite, because first we need to test it. It's possible that I made a typo or some error putting that link in, and that's what the test button is for. If I click test, yes, that goes just where I want it to, and now I would be able to submit the image. Note that if you have already displayed your association logo on one of your pages, you can't just add a website address to it. You will need to load the logo graphic again and store the address with it, and then replace the image that is being shown already on your website with the new one. But when you have done that, this external link is added every time you show the image. There's nothing else you need to do. Okay, it's time for me to show you how to enable these options if you haven't already got them set up. So let me go back to the administration area, and you'll find what you need in special features. You can see here it is already enabled, but this is what you would see if it wasn't enabled. And you could click on and save changes, and everything you need will become available. I hope you found that helpful, and that you're now raring to go and activate those images. Of course, if you have any questions, please do get in touch with our support team, who will be only too happy to help you out.